Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your very own channel, Trading Guru. Today, we are going to go ahead and talk about post market analysis for the 30th of March and also discuss top 5 intraday picks for tomorrow. So, stay tuned, do subscribe to our channel. Here we go. On your screen right now are the advances and the declines on NSE. So if you see, the bulls have won the entire day today, 931 advances and 807 declines. Talking about the top 5 gainers, as we had expected, UPL, JSW, Tata Steel, HDFC Bank and HCL Technologies. If you know, in the previous post market session we had explained you why UPL can actually be a winner, and no surprises, it has been a winner today. If you see, the metal section was up across, which also pulled Nifty, which we will talk in the later segment of the day. But due to that, JSW Steel and Tata Steel are up. There was also news that Tata Sun have improved their percentage of stake in Tata Steel, due to which it was a positive. HDFC Bank, Kotak, and ICICI, the percentage of share allotted towards Bank Nifty is going to go ahead and increase, and that might be one of the reason why the weightage increase in Bank Nifty is also moving the stock up. Also, the speculations of Q4 results being good has pulled the stock upside. HCL Technology, same thing. If you see, the IT sector is absolutely going to have a gala time in the next 2 weeks as we near by the results. Talking about the losers, only 5 losers for the day on Nifty 50: M&M, Axis Bank, Hindalco, SBI Life, and Bharti Airtel. So, no prime reason for this decline, because it's really slight that they were not able to go ahead and pick up even on a day like this. Yes, Axis Bank did see the levels of 710, but then there was some profit booking shown, which actually put it down till 695. Talking about Nifty on 15 minutes chart, if you can see, a very strong day for Nifty. It was not at all dropping below the 15 moving average, and at the end, if you see, it was amazingly placed at 14,855, and it has also broken the crucial level on 1 day charts, that was at of 14,750. So incredibly amazing day due to IT, pharma and metals. The Nifty 50 has moved substantially pretty well. Talking about 1 day charts, if you see, this is an amazing green candle which has crossed the 15 days moving average and the 50 moving average, and it is listed above all the moving averages which are crucial at the moment. So this is going to be a very important support level for Nifty at 14,800 or 14,750. I see it moving upwards if there is no negative news coming in. The market should show a positive move, and it can close above 15,000 as well. Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, it is not that great as compared to Nifty. It opened a little upside. Do make a note that we are looking into an analysis on 1 day chart, and if you see this candle, it's not as big and as good as Nifty, but yes, it is a green candle. Since it is not that big of a candle, it is still trading below the 50 and the 15 moving average, which is a sign of concern. Anything above 34,474, you can consider 34,500 will be an excellent bullish trend for Bank Nifty. Talking about 15-minute chart on Nifty Bank, yes, there was some worries in between when it actually crossed below the 15 and the 200 moving average on 15 minutes, and then it actually picked itself up and closed above the 15 moving average and above all the moving averages. The problem with Nifty Bank was it was well led by HDFC Bank with 4% of gain. However, the other banks were not able to contribute that heavy, due to which the entire Bank Nifty segment did go ahead and see a sideways market after the opening, or maybe after the 30 minutes of opening. Talking about current US markets, if you see, it has shown some profit booking at the higher level. It is consistently being at touching that 33,100 levels and falling from there for the last 2 days. Today is no different, as we see that it is trading at the range of 32,920. We are expecting some positive moves in the second part of the day, which might go ahead and help it close about 33,000. Talking about SGX Nifty, if you see, it has been positive since the time the market closed. It did go down a little at the market closing, but it has picked up again and it is trading above 14,930 levels at the moment. Okay, if you are a consistent viewer of our channel, you must have seen we had given 5 trades yesterday for intraday tradings, and all 5 did hit the target. So that is something which is an amazing achievement for us, and we are really proud that we were able to help a lot of intraday traders to make some good profits. At your screen right now is the list for tomorrow in intraday. You can go ahead and consider buying and selling these stocks at these levels. JSW Steel, you can buy above 474, sell below 454.20. HDFC Bank, you can buy above 1570 and sell below 1541. UPL, you can buy above 641 and sell below 614.2. HCL, you can buy above 1004 and sell below 983. Asian Paints, you can buy about 2612 and sell below 2543. The targets and stop loss as mentioned on your screen. So that is it for today. We hope you liked the entire show. We try to go ahead and keep it as simple as possible for the beginners to go ahead and understand. It is a very big request that you need to go ahead and push that button right there, the subscribe button, and do subscribe our channel. That is the only motivation we have out of this, and it will obviously go ahead and help a lot of new beginners to go ahead and trust us more and help them make good profits. So that is it from our side. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night.